today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all your properties on Booking.com. This is a quick and easy process, so let's jump right into it. First, you're going to need to open your web browser. Now type in admin.booking.com in the address bar and press enter. This will take you directly to the Booking.com extranet platform. If you haven't logged in yet, it's time to do so now. Enter your username and password carefully to access your account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Booking.com extranet dashboard. This is essentially your control center for all things related to your properties on Booking.com. Now let's talk about navigating through this. When you arrive on the home page, you'll notice a wealth of information. But what we're focusing on is actually very straightforward. You'll want to scroll down a little, and as you do, keep an eye out for a section dedicated to your active properties. This section is a handy snapshot showing key details about your property's performance, operations, and settings. Now, if what you're looking for is to get the full picture and see a complete list of all your properties associated with your account, just continue scrolling a bit further. You'll eventually come across a section where every property linked to your account is clearly listed. This is a fantastic way not only to view, but also to manage your properties on a granular level. From this list, clicking on any individual property will allow you to dive deeper into more specific details, offering insights and management options tailor-made for that particular property. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily see all your properties on Booking.com without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future Booking.com tutorials. We're always here to make managing your listings as smooth as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.